Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and just right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now just click on it to activate the Cloud Shell, and if you get any other pop-up, just click on I understand and agree and continue. Now here we have to simply click on continue and then just authorize yourself. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared this repository. You have to simply come over here, select it, and just paste over here and hit enter. Now from here, you have to find the zone, Control F, zone. You can see this is our zone. So copy it carefully, paste over here, hit enter. Now wait for it to get completed. Now here you can see all these things are done. If you come to the lab instruction and check the score, you'll get the score obviously. But here one more important thing I wanted to share. For task 2 it takes longer. Maybe it will take 5 to 10 minutes, so you need to wait for it. Now for other solutions you can check the channel. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day.